So, what's your biggest career goal for 2025? Is it landing your dream job, earning a promotion, or completely switching a field and living a life that you've always aspired for? Well, no matter what it is, the secret to achieve any dream, the secret to achieve anything is setting the right goals. And I am here, Dr. Sneha Sharma, your career coach, to tell you how do you delve into this powerful strategy of building your goals and then achieving them, right? So stay with me till the end of this video to uncover how to make 2025 the year to achieve your dream career. Make sure to see the video till the end, subscribe to my channel, like this video so that you can come back to it. Let me now take you to the mind map. Stay till the end of the video and you will get some golden nuggets. So when you're trying to set your goals to get your dream job, it is important to set the right goal. All right. So let me now, I make you understand this whole concept about goal setting and why it matters. The first thing is setting your goal actually gives you the clarity. It gives you the clear direction for your job search. Right? So that means instead of saying that I need a job, which is a very, very generic goal, you could say I want a project management role in a mid-sized IT company. The more clear you are, the better is going to be the result. The better is going to be the presentation of your goal. Then focus. When you set a goal, it gets you focused. It eliminates overwhelm, right? So instead of, applying to a 20 generic roles, focus on those applying 5 high quality roles which will help you achieve your goal, right? So be focused when you're working with your goal. And third and most important step is track your progress. Measure your steps. Try to understand that what you're doing, how is it helping? And to do that, you can end up using trackers to note how many applications you applied for, how many responses did you get, what was the status of those responses, how are your interviews lined up. It gives you a lot of mental clarity. It removes the clutter around your goal setting. Right? So now you all must have heard about applying SMART goal framework, but now I'm going to teach you how to do it. Do this step by step with me. Pause this video wherever you need to make sure that by the end of this video, your SMART goal is ready with you. So SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So define exactly what do you want. A new job is not a goal. A goal is I want to be a marketing manager in a edtech industry. Get specific with the industry, with the designation. The two major core areas for you to move to the next step. Number one. Second, make it measurable. Add numbers, right? Give it something like I apply to 10 jobs. Network with 5 hiring managers every month. You don't have to apply for 1 lakh jobs, 1,000 jobs, hundreds jobs. No, you just need that one right position. And to get those odds in your favor, we will go specific. The moment you define your industry, the moment you define your designation, you will stop applying to every random job, right? And then getting into the confusion of getting selected and then getting rejected, right? So break that cycle. For anything to change, you have to first change. So you have to break the way, the pattern, the way you have been doing this for all the years you know yourself. Okay. Number 3, achievable. Set realistic but challenging goal. Don't aim for a VP role, right? For if you have just 1 year of experience. Instead, aim for a senior executive position. Something which shows you, helps you believe that you have the skill set, right? You have the right knowledge to be there where you want to be. This will help you in, normalizing the battle with your own mind. You target here, but you believe you're meant for this. How will you fill this gap? This gap can never be filled and there will always be a war. It's not that you can't be here. You can be, but you have held on to yourself saying, I can't, I don't have it in me. right? So set realistic goal, achievable goal that you also believe can be achieved by you. Number 4, relevant. Align it with your long-term vision. If you are, let's say your dream is to become a product manager, right? So make sure to prioritize roles that help you in building leadership, in building your analytical skills. That is where you will be able to align with your final vision. And number 5 is set your deadlines. Until you put a goal deadline, you will not be able to push yourself. So I will land my dream job in 90 days, right? Give yourself a target, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 6 months. What is it that you're targeting? And then for each of these steps, you start taking small actions, which is our next step, in which we will say break your goals into micro steps. You don't have to jump long, high. Just have to take small steps. These steps will align you to achieve what you want. Step 1. In week 1, decide that, okay, this time I am going to update my resume and LinkedIn profile. I'm going to highlight the measurable achievements like increase sales by 20% through strategic campaigns. Get specific. Right? Step 2, based on the industry, based on the designation you have figured out, research and list the target companies. Make a set of 15 companies that you admire, that you really want to be a part of. Research about them. Align your career goals. Don't be like, I just want a job, anyone can give me a job. No. Then you will be looking for another job 1 year down the line. If you want to be content, if you want to be happy, you got to get focused. You should do the research about what this company's work culture is. What do I really enjoy? Why do I really want to join this company? That will bring that, the series of positive empowerments that will lead you to convert the interviews as well. Because I've seen people coming to me and telling me, I have the experience, I applied for a right role, but I didn't get shortlisted. Yes, because you never fell in love with that position. You never thought why you are the best person. I'm telling you, the companies are not hiring you because you want a job. The company is hiring you because you can solve a problem for them, which will help them grow better. So if you research about the company, you know what problem can you fix. And the person who can fix a problem is what a company needs, right? So even if you have less experience, but if you are able to convince them that how you can solve problem for them, how you have done it in the past, I have seen people getting insane promotions, insane positions because of this single very, very important skill, which is highlighting how you are a problem solver. Okay, make sure to do that. Then network with hiring managers, right? This is very, very important. So networking is going to be very, very crucial. Okay, so I'm not saying don't go with the general method of applying for the jobs, but networking with hiring managers or employees is going to give you that extra edge. How will you do that? Send personalized LinkedIn messages to 5 professionals in a week. We decided upon connecting with 5 people in a week. Do that. But do that with focus. Don't connect with every HR manager in the world. No. Focus on the industry. Focus on the position. Focus on the role. Focus on something so that you can get desired feedback, desired inputs, and apply to tailored roles. Customize your resume for every single role that you apply for. If you're not doing that, believe me, it's not going to work out. Okay, you can always portray yourself as a problem solver when you are able to take this aspect into position. Then stay accountable. How will you do that? Track your progress. Okay, use a job tracker, use a planner to see how many companies have you applied for. Add columns like company name, job title, application date, follow-up status. Did I get my resume rejected or accepted? Did I get an interview call? How far it has been that people have not responded. You send HR manager a message. When did he or she respond? Get those things in your tracker sheet. Right? And share your goals. Tell your mentor or a friend that I'm going to apply for 10 roles. Right? So keep on asking me how it's going. It just motivates you and boosts your confidence. And my favorite, celebrate small wins. Whenever you send a resume and you got a reply from the manager that, hey, your resume has shortlisted, Go for a favorite cup of coffee that day. Watch a movie, right? Or if you just completed 5 applications of sending customized resume, gift yourself something. Pamper yourself to feel the love within yourself, because if you respect yourself, you love yourself, that is exactly where it will be reflected on the outside of you, right? That's the belief and faith I live with. The closing tips from my side: take action. Start with small achievable steps. I've just shared them with you. You can just simply begin by updating your LinkedIn profile, your resume with the desired roles, adding the desired keywords, right? Number 2, stay motivated. Try to visualize your success. Picture yourself of, walking into that room, and once you have got that job, what kind of a life will you have? I know clients where they said that they always dreamt of sitting on an airport, working on their laptops, flying every day to ensure that they are able to do great work, and they're living that life that they wanted, right? And number 3, comment or share your goals with others. Comment here in the video so that you can come back to it and share how the progress has been, right? Otherwise, share it with somebody who's close to you so that you can check upon yourself, join career related groups on LinkedIn, actively participate in discussions just to make sure that you are keeping a track of yourself, right? And if you feel that you would like to explore a full-fledged strategy of how to achieve your dream career, I am going to leave a link in the description for my free webinar. Join my masterclass and get inputs if you would like to understand how do I break it down, right? So try to understand it. If it works for you, implement it, right? It has worked for thousands of professionals, and if it works for you, there will be no one else but me who will be happier, right? So with this, let me now close this video. I hope you have understood how exactly this whole process of the goal setting works. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and most importantly, implement what you have learned. Nothing changes until you change. Don't forget that, right? I'm going to catch you in the next YouTube video. Keep looking this space for more videos. Thank you very much for joining.